Hey everybody, how are you? Happy Friday. It's Gregor Baird of Gregor Speaks. I love my Fridays. As a kid growing up in Emily City, Michigan, Fridays were my favorite of the week because we got out of school and we had the weekend ahead. Basically, that's what it was. It is a sunny, beautiful day here in Chicago, probably about a high of 48, maybe 50 today, but no snow, so that's great. It's been a crazy week with snow on, snow off, wax on, wax off, that kind of thing. Couple things happening. I'm doing a lot of this today, aren't I? Couple things happening actually today. Today is the International Day of the Elimination of Racial Discrimination. Look it up, celebrate it, find out how you can be an ally to those people that are facing discrimination on all counts, especially racial discrimination and everything that's going on in our crazy country right now. Also today is World Down Syndrome Day, and I have to tell you, some of the best moments of my life were working at summer camps and in and around people with Down syndrome. I'm still friends with, I want to call him a young guy, not so much young anymore, but my dear friend Tom McCullough from Petoskey, Michigan. I think he lives in Charlevoix now. But just a great guy, knowledgeable, funny, as Down syndrome. I've known his family for years, probably 30 years or more. And Tom's just, it's a delight. Several people in my life, my chosen family, have had people with Down syndrome in their lives. They're just a complete joy to work with. And so please, let's all respect and embrace World Down Syndrome Day today and every day. Here's a picture. Every spring I buy these daffodils. These are the daffodils that are on my table right now I'm looking right down at them in my little dining room, but they're in full bloom today. I took a picture of them for you to enjoy. They're just beautiful. They're not the most fragrant flowers. They smell a little odd to me. They smell like a subway station in a way. Just work with me on this, but they're beautiful to look at, and I usually get 2 bunches. So when these go, I'll get another bunch again. I usually give them out to friends because that's a tradition that happened when I was at North Central Michigan College, when Jackie Burrell would come out from Sky's the Limit and give us daffodils on the first day of spring. It just reminds me of that time, and it was so great. So yeah, I'm looking at right now. They're beautiful, beautiful flowers. Weekend, not much going on. I might hang out with a friend later, and tomorrow there's a retirement party from up north of me, of 2 people that are retiring from the business of cooking and owning a bar and everything. So we're gonna go out and celebrate them. So that's all. Maybe a brunch on Sunday. Typical kind of stuff. I hope you're fine wherever you're at. I've been talking with a lot of people. I did a podcast yesterday that'll be up in a few weeks. A woman named Gail from Canada, who has a podcast called Love Sweet Love, interviewed me for a podcast. We probably talked for over an hour, and just about my career and life, and how love was vacant from my life growing up, and how I responded to that, and how I give love and respect and allyship to people. It was just a great conversation. So I will let you know when that podcast is up and running. She's an educator, so we had a lot to talk about. And also just talked about the viewpoint of the United States and Canada and all the wacky stuff that's going on right now. And you know what I'm talking about. So, but again, that'll be up in a few weeks. The other podcasts I've listed, Buddha Bear, The Aging Queen, and a couple others that I've been on have been out and about on the web. So look those up because they've been great conversations. All trying to get my voice out there and get my work. So that's what it's all about. Have a healthy, wonderful, joyful Friday and weekend ahead. Celebrate life, celebrate spring. Turn off the TV and the news. Have conversations about other things. Face-to-face conversations. Get off the phone, get off the computer. Give yourself a break. I will see you on Monday. I'm giving a shout out to a variety of friends, but also my friend Natalie, who says she looks forward to my posts on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, along with many of you also. So hi to her. Have a great one. I will see you on Monday. Take care.